Hi guys, today we are gonna make a traditional Banoffee pie. This is an English dessert made from bananas, cream, and toffee combined on a buttery biscuit base. But of course we are gonna make the paleo version, so we'll do without the cream and the carbs. We are gonna replace the base with crushed nuts mixed with dates and organic maple syrup, and the cream with a blend of banana and almond butter. So let's get started. This recipe serves one. The ingredients you need are, for the base layer, a quarter cup of pecans, a quarter cup of almonds, 1 date, 1 teaspoon of organic maple syrup. And for the middle layer, 1 very ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of almond butter. As for the banana layer, half a banana. And for the topmost layer, 3 dates, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of water, and half very ripe banana. I get my organic ingredients from iHerb online. They have many options and price range and ships internationally. You can access the link down below in my description box. And there is a special Black Friday discount, so do go check it out. Let's start with the base layer. Slice up the dates into pieces. Next, crush the nuts in a ziplock bag with something heavy. I'm using a cup here. Once done, mix in the dates. Add the maple syrup. Mix it well so that the sweetness is evenly blended. Pour the mixture into the glass as the base layer. Now we can start with the middle layer. Add the banana, then the almond butter. Blend the two into a creamy texture. When you feel that it's creamy enough, add the cream onto the base layer. Place the glass in the freezer for 15 minutes to set. Now we can prepare the third layer, which are just slices of banana. For the final top layer, add banana in a mixing bowl. Add the sliced dates and the almond butter. Blend well into a creamy texture. Add some water if the mixture is too dry. When 15 minutes is up, remove the glass from the freezer. Add the banana layer. Then add in the top layer and top it up with the rest of the bananas. And there you have it, a no-bake paleo banoffee pie. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do comment below if you've tried the recipe or tweak it a little. For new videos weekly, do click subscribe so that you'll be notified when it's been released. And as usual, thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on my channel before you go, and see you soon!